Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach and I make content videos on how to make money online, especially when it comes to what's called telecom business. And this video, I'm going to be very brief as possible, and that is, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to refer users on instant mobile data to earn passive income in the process. Now, you can make this what's called business. You can engage into the referral program for completely free of charge. Okay, you don't even need to pay money to upgrade your account to even get this reward. You can practically be making money on autopilot for just referring users that upgrade to own their own VTU system that will enable them to buy airtime, data, cable subscription, electricity. Now, for you to get started, you have to use the link in the description of this video to visit instantmobiledata.com.ng. So the link will be on the description of this video. So once you're here on instantmobiledata.com.ng, you quickly go to either register or login. So, but before I continue, what is instant mobile data? It is an automated system that enable you to buy airtime, buy data of our network, pay for cable subscriptions. You can virtually do a lot from this platform. So we are looking at here how to actually refer users in the system. We have made several videos in the past. So check the playlist on the channel to locate instant mobile data to follow up the series on this training. So let's proceed right away. Either you click on register or login. That will take you to a place that looks like this. Here, you simply have to register if you are not yet registered, or log in if you have existing account. So I already have an existing account. That's why the system is actually tracking my my username. So right here, you can click on create. You can see where it is say create account. So once you click on that create account, it will automatically take you to the place where you have to create your new account. So this is for new users that has no account on the system, because before you can engage into the referral program, you have to first of all register an account to get your own what's called account system that will enable you to start referring others. So already you can just completely fill this form. First of all, you put your first name, your last name, your let me just give you like a demonstration just to explain how the registration works. So here is your first name. Make sure you put the details that are very correct, right? So here I may just put in, make sure you put a detail that is correct, please. Okay, so my email at gmail.com. So that is your email address. The reason this email address will be, system is going to send you an email verification. Okay, an OTP will be sent to this particular email. So make sure you put the right one. Don't make mistake here, because if you make mistake here, system is going to take you may not be able to register on the platform. So once you put the details, click on continue, and then select your state of residence where you are actually currently stays. So like I'm in Lagos, I'm selecting Lagos, Nigeria. So you put your password, you put your password here, confirm your password, put your PIN here. This PIN is needed for each time you want to do transactions. So there on the referral column here, kindly put this particular number, which is 081 36 36 7446. So please make sure you make use of our referral code so we can also get create more quality content like this. Okay, since we are the one referring, you have to make use of our own referral code, which is this line you are seeing here. So once you are done, you click on register, then go to your email to get the code that the system is going to send to you. Then input the code and then verify your account. So once you have done that, you'll be able to log in into your own personal back office, otherwise call your own VTU accounts that enable you to now engage properly on the referral program. So right now, how do you get started? doing referral program in instant mobile data. It is quite very simple to get started. To get started, first, you need to understand the functions of the platform as a marketer or as someone that wants to promote the platform. How do I mean by that? First of all, you need to know that here has to do with your balance, how much you have in the system. So here you can also add funds. Then this subscriber simply means the status of your account, which you can also upgrade to get more further discounts. Okay, so for you to add money to the system, which is the first thing you need to do, that way you can able to kind of buy product. So you click on add fund, then click on manual. You'll be able to see the bank to pay and the instruction to do once you make your payment. So you can see how to pay and the time. Every instructions is written here. The reason for this instruction is to help you better understand how to make your payments. So right now, the auto banking is not currently available, but it must be available any moment from now. So, but then you can use Mona to make your payment. Admin is always online to attend to you any time of the day. So once you have done that, you'll be able to buy products. Okay, so because you need to actually understand how the system functions, you need to also interact with the system, the platform, to know the strengths of the platform. So to get started, for you to also understand the price as regard to the products and services, you go to the service section, which you see here. On this place, you're able to see that there are several categories that include airtime, data. Each of these categories are all automatic. Okay, you can easily vend each of these products automatically, and it gets delivered to the end customer. So, but one thing you should also understand here is the pricing. Okay, the pricing has to do with how much is especially data or baby cable. Even before you buy, you'll be able to see the prices. So click on these pricing. So once you click here, you'll be able to be directed to a place where you see the prices on regard to airtime. So you can see the price of airtime for subscriber. Who are subscriber? People that just register on the system, they are called subscribers. So you also see the agent, you see the vendors, right? So each of them has a discount. This is like the discount given to each levels of membership, right? So you also see that of data. You can see the data of data. You can see it right here. You can see it. So you can see the plans. You can see what the subscriber is going to get, the agent, and then the vendor at the moment of recording this training. So you have to pay attention to understand the price mechanisms, to understand further how to explain to your prospects in terms of this business. So this goes further to other networks. So, but I don't want to go through that. So you can also see that of cable. You can see cable plans. You can see all of them right here. So having look at that briefly, let's look at the referral system critically. So if you click on referrals on the menu, click on referrals there, you'll be able to see the referral section is different from the environment are quite different. So here you talk about the referrals. So this time it's going to count how many referrals you have generated. Then the number of commissions will be reading here instantly. And then you can see a referral code, right? So you can easily copy this code to share to people. That way that you earn commission when they perform activities, which I'm going to show you. Or you can easily only give them your phone number, because your phone number becomes your referral code once you have signed up on the platform. And that is how the system is programmed to work. So either you copy the referral log, this bunch of code that you're seeing here, or you give them just your phone number to get started. So that is just how to refer users. Now, these are the commission list at the moment. What is commission list? What are you to get when you refer users? So first is the upgrade. When a user upgrades, you are going to get 500 Naira instantly credited. So when each of those people you refer buy airtime, you get 1 Naira for that. When they buy data, you get 2 Naira for that. When they pay for cable, you get 5 Naira for that. While electricity, you get 1 Naira. While exam EPIN, you get 1 naira. So that is the mind-blowing opportunity. Now you may ask yourself, okay, this thing is too little. The amount is too little. Remember, this is an automated system. And what we mean by automated system is that it delivers products automatically, which I'm going to show you briefly. So what it means is that you can refer users, you can refer like 100, 500 people, which does transaction daily. At that rate, you can be able to making a lot of money in the process. So trust me on that. And then, but before you get started right away, you also need to understand the upgrade fee, especially that has to do with agents. So once you click on this agent tab that is here, you'll be able to see the amounts that agents are to pay, which you can see right away. You have to fund the account. Once you fund your account, the agent fee is just 1,000 naira. So out of this money that the agent is paying to upgrade to an agent, you'll be going home with 500 naira. So the person have to put the PIN and then click on continue. The system will check the balance and then debit the agent the amount, which is 1,000 naira, and then credit you with 500 naira for the referring the users. So this is how to actually refer users, how to upgrade, and then what are the commission levels. So this place has to do with the transactions. That shows you all the transactions you are doing, and it is going to be reporting live. Okay, just like what we want to do right now. We want to buy airtime just to give you a demonstration on how to make purchases of products. So just quickly click on buy airtime. You can buy data, you can buy airtime, you can buy cables, you can pay electricity. Anything is what's called, any of the related VTU services can be purchased here. But right now, we just want to purchase that of airtime. So once you are putting a number, the system, first of all, you select the network, then select the type of the network, which is VTU, then impute the number. The system will automatically check the network and identify it as the particular network, right? So you now put the number which you want to vend. Remember, you must have that up to that amount as your wallet balance. Then click on buy airtime, then click on yes, then put your PIN here. Okay, your PIN is a 4-digit PIN that you define when you are registering, and then you click on continue. If the PIN are correct, the system will automatically send the airtime to the phone number which you specify on the purchase system. So you can see the phone number which the system is going to send this airtime to. So that is how to actually make transactions, how to buy products. You can see it now successful. So the system has sent this airtime to this particular number. So this is how you can actually make purchases on the system, how to refer users, how to earn a substantial income in the process. Now you may ask yourself, okay, I haven't explained this. How do I now make over 50K from just doing this? It's very simple. Once you calculate the what's it called? If you are referring users, especially those of, since the upgrade fee is very cheap, which is 1,000 naira, and then you are referring, let's just say 100 people in a month, that is 50,000. So you can actually make this by just sharing your link, your code, which is your phone number, to your audience. That include on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any other social handle that you think is okay for you. That way, you can get people to register on the platform to use the system and then encourage them to upgrade to an agent, just the way I explained on this video. That way, you can be getting commissions that will be reading on your referral column, right? So that's how exactly you can actually make this amount without spending money on either purchases or doing direct sales. And then it doesn't stop there. Once they upgrade, you start making passive income through each of these available ways they will be doing transaction on the platform, which is through airtime purchase, data purchase, electricity payments on the go. So that is actually a passive income part of the system, which is what drew us attention to why we're making this video for the first time. So if you like the content on this video, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribe to the channel because we're going to be dishing out. We're going to be making several reviews, platforms that are paying, and of course, in-depth tutorial just like this particular one on how to scale your telecom business in Nigeria. I'm your host, Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, keep winning on telecom business.